You win the honour of dishes tonight. Yeah! You high fived it, so it's real. Oh, I can see it. It's right there. You can see how clear the water is. I don't need a shower tonight now. I just had a nature shower. That's really nice.
Cold?
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's not heated. That's nice. I like that. That was sick. As much as we like being in the city and checking all that out, I really wanted to come and check out some hikes and a little bit of nature along this trip. We certainly have found that.
Being near a waterfall is just very relaxing and calming.
And it's very good because we're only 20 minutes tops walk from our campsite, so it's right there and we'll be able to listen to it all night.
And I feel better about a hike because I bought my bear spray. It is a real thing for every Australian that's going, it's not real. Yes, and necessary.
We didn't have any firewood and wanted to start a fire, so we just collected some sticks that were laying around near the van and made a little one. We had these very lovely couple that are over on a campsite behind us yell out and be like, do you want some firewood? And they can obviously tell that we are not campers because they've come over here, started the fire for us, told us what we need to do, lent us their axe. She didn't really want to leave it with Jake because apparently he looks like he wouldn't know how to chop wood, so he's proving that he can.
Another day, another hike. We are climbing Mount Finlayson today. It's about 12-15 minute drive from our campsite. It's a pretty steep hike, and we don't have the excuse of altitude this time around. We are just
feels like it.
We are just plain unfit at this point. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but she's pretty steep going. This will probably look flat when we get down to editing, but Tiff keeps making weird noises because she thinks a bear's going to attack her.
It might. There was literally a sign that said, "You are in bear country. Make noise."
Only 1.5 k's. Still not that far to go.
Yeah.
I guess it is when it's straight up.
Yeah.
Surely this looks steeper on camera.
I'm like on a lean. That's tough. This hike said it was an easy hike, hey?
No, I just told you that so you'd come for a hike. It does say advanced.
Got him!
Oh, advanced.
Oh, look at this. This is cool. We're going in the right direction.
Yay!
What way do you reckon? There? Or up there? That one? Alright. Let's go. There's a little step there. Keep going that one. Awesome work. Almost there. Almost. Looks pretty steep though.
It does.
Alright, let's do it. Having fun so far?
Yeah. It's good.
I'm gonna put the camera away now. It's, as you can see, it's real rocky and windy. Alright, we'll see you at the top. Survive the rock face, part 1.
Part 2.
Okay, surely this here will show it how bloody steep this is.
I'm on an angle.
Oh no. Yeah, you go up here, so yeah, come up there.
Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it!
So those peaks you can see over there, that is Mount Olympus in the US. I don't know which one. I'm gonna guess that one. And over here, and also in the US in Seattle, is the snow peak of Mount Baker, which looks wicked. And then over there, that is Victoria, and that is where we stayed the last couple of nights. So you've got snow, you've got water, You've got a golf course. As much as I take the piss out of Tiff about the bear stuff, it's pretty serious that you bring something to make loud noises to scare off the bears. We've heard that many stories about people going hiking and not coming back and getting found a day or so later, half mauled to death by a bear. So, and it's also important to note that you need to have your bear spray easily accessible. We just have ours in our drink bottle holder, and it's Tiff's favourite thing. She has it at all times.
After 3 hours, we are now finished that hike, so we've come back into the van. We had a quick lunch of Doritos and salsa. And now we're heading off to our next hike, which Jake tells me is a lot smaller, a lot shorter, but I've learned that he cannot be trusted. Could be a 4-hour hike, could be 20 minutes, not sure. Next up, we're going to Niagara Falls. Not that Niagara Falls, a different one. Let's check it out.
I love a long hike, but probably not the 2,000 or 3,000 kilometre hike to Niagara Falls, Toronto. How quick was this hike?
Oh, it's actually been about 4 hours.
It hasn't.
No, it's been about 4 minutes.
And we told you it was a lot shorter. Geez, that's nice.
That is.
So keep on dancing, baby.
Next up, we are going to Niagara Falls. Not that Niagara Falls, a different one. Did you see that? You're like, let's see how this goes.
I didn't see it, no.